Hi, welcome to another episode of Let's Get Writing. For today's topic, we're going to be talking about dialogue rules. The purpose of our lesson is to learn how to punctuate dialogue in our writing. Here are the rules. Rule 1. Indent. Each time a new person speaks in your story, indent and begin a new paragraph. Indent means to start writing further in from the left margin or side of your paper, and is indicated by the red arrow. Let's look at our example. The red arrows show that as each new person speaks, their dialogue is indented. So remember, in dialogue, when a new person speaks, indent. Rule 2. Quotation marks. In dialogue, when a person is speaking, place quotation marks on the outside of their words. Quotation marks lets the reader know what words are being said by the speaker in your story. Quotation marks look like this. From our example, the quotation marks go around or on the outside of what Alex has said, here and here. So remember, the quotation marks go outside and words go inside. Rule 3. Capitalize. When you are writing, capitalize the first word of every sentence in your dialogue. Using our same example, you can see that the words so and are both capitalized, because each of these words is the first word of our dialogue sentences. So remember, if it's the first word of your dialogue or any other sentence, then capitalize it. Rule 4. End punctuation. Be sure to include end punctuation in your dialogue and place it inside the quotation marks. Your end punctuation can be a comma, a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. In our example, a question mark and a comma are used as the end punctuation. Notice that they are inside the quotation marks. So remember, use end punctuation and place it inside the quotation marks. Rule 5. Tag. A tag is used to show who is speaking and how they are speaking in your dialogue. A tag helps to make the dialogue less confusing for the reader. From our example, we used the tags asked Alex and replied Ed. Alex is the person asking a question and Ed's the person who is replying. So remember, when writing dialogue, use a tag to show who is speaking and how they are speaking. So let's review what we've learned today about our dialogue rules. Rule 1. Indent. When a new person is speaking, indent. Rule 2. Quotation marks. Put quotation marks on the outside of your dialogue. Rule 3. Capitalize. Capitalize the first word of your dialogue sentences. Rule 4. End punctuation. Use end punctuation and put it inside the quotation marks. Rule 5. Tag. Add tags to your dialogue to show who is speaking and how they are speaking. So now you are ready to begin to add dialogue to your stories. And if you follow these rules, you will be able to properly punctuate and write good dialogue. So, let's get writing!